Okay, guys, so in this course, I'm going to take you from the basics of HTML to advanced of HTML. So, first of all, I would recommend you to install two extensions. So, the first one is Live Server, and the second one is Prettier Code for Mirror. So, install them. So, what would these extensions help us in? So, first of all, over here, I am going to write a code. So, that's the boilerplate code. So what's the boilerplate code? That's the basic code that we have to write in HTML to code anything inside the HTML. So first of all, the doctype HTML. This tells the browser that our version of HTML is 5 and we are using HTML. After that, HTML. This is a tag which is root element of the HTML. So this is the biggest one. Every contact would be inside this HTML tag. So as you can watch it, there's nothing outside except this because this thing tells the browser which version we are using. After that, there's a two tags, head and body. So head tag includes the data which we don't need to display on our page, but we need it. So let me show you. So if I make it. So as you can see, here's the go live option. So you can go live and you can see that what's the output. So now there is document because we have set this title to document. So I need to change it to HTML crash course. Okay. So after that, we store any information in the body tag which we need. So in body tag which we need because we want to display it. So first of all, let me show you how we can write heading. So okay, okay, so close it, yeah, and 85, and the last one is 86. So I let me write text all inside it. Let me write text inside all of them. Okay. So now if I show you the output, so as you can watch it, that it's showing HTML in some sizes. So each one is for the title, which is like it has the hash frequency. So which means that it should be above everything. So like if am creating a web page on animals, so it should be over here as you can watch it. So because it's the title. So after that, I should use H2 because I have an animal, so I can write it cat. So using H3, I can define cat's animals like cat food and cat. After that, cat food, I can explain cat food with this and as longer as I go. So at end, we can use just this step for everything. So let me close these steps. Okay, so yeah. So after that, there is paragraph type. So I can't write too much. So as you can watch it, so when I create a paragraph, so whenever I have to write a paragraph, so I can write a lorem of 50 letters. So when I press it, it will give me a text of 50 text letters. So now in it, there's some tags. So the first one is bold tag, and after that, let me copy it. Oops, see. And okay, so over here, and I would remove the closing tag from here. Oops, need to just move, and I can keep it till here. So now it's fine. Okay, so now this text will be bold, but I will show when you I have used all the text. After that, there comes the strong tag. So let me read some word. Let me make it bold from this after this comma. P, and it automatically, as you can watch, generates. So now the another tag to do the same thing is strong tag. So and let me end it over here. So it would also make it bold. Okay, okay, so let me write the ending tag. I don't need the ending tag. And let me just check. Okay, why it's setting automatically things? Okay, now as you can watch it, so this text is bold. This B tag and strong tag do the same things, but because of the I need to show you, so that's why I'm doing. After that, there comes the italic tag, which is represented by I. So let me end it over here. And at last, the last tag is emphasis tag. So represented with em and Control C, and it should tell. So just it would automatically keep changing its codec. So let me show you now the output. So as you can watch, here's the simple text. After that, the bold text bold the text till here. After that, the text I left and I bolded this text. And after that, I italic this text and I italic this text till here. Till here. Yeah. And the rest of the text stays the same. Okay, so the next thing which I could explain you is okay, so wait for a second. Let me put code there. Okay, so after that, I would remove this paragraph. So let me explain you the anchor tag. So let me create a new file, in.html. Okay, so let me press. Let me open the tab compiler. Okay, so let me sign in. So let me pause first. So just it's getting compiled ready. So what a minute. Oh my god. Yeah, as you can watch it now. So let me press Control I. Review our random recipe list. So so you shouldn't you don't focus on it that how this code is working. But over here, I've created a random like recipe link, and I would add an anchor tag. So this is the anchor tag. In it, I would give an attribute href, which should equals to. So let me write index.html over here. And now over here, I can add the text back to home page. Okay, so I will accept it. So as you can watch, now if I open the storage table, so I can add another anchor tag over here, and which things and href. So I would give a space so it could know it's an attribute equals not a symbol. Okay, so now recipe. Okay, just let me write keep it right like this. And if I go right now, as you can watch now, you can see this recipe click over here, and if I click it, you will see the random recipe list over here. Go back to home page, and you can switch between them as much times as you want. So let me close it now. Okay, so after that, I can explain you iframe tag. So how does it work? So as you can watch it over here, these are the recommendation by GitHub Copilot. So I can accept it. I'm gonna take the next recommendation or the last recommendation. As you can watch, it would keep changing. So it has given I can accept word control plus word arrow. So whatever I wanted from here. So I don't need its recommendation. So let me code it. So what I want to explain you is iframe tag. So let me get iframe. So I'm going to iframe this. So let me press. So any video with this. So I don't know which videos it is. So it automatically gives me a video. So as you can watch, it automatically gives me a video about learncode.academy, but I can also choose any other video. So I did youtube.com. Okay, so let me first get its link. So let me search. So let me open this channel. Okay, so as you can watch it, I can share. So I can press and I can copy this link. See. So now let me close it. Let's close it. Paste the code over here. And now let me run it again. Okay. So over here, as you can see, it's showing my channel. You can also subscribe it. You can also watch this video on YouTube, watch or share, and if you played it, so there are all things play, mute, and there are also YouTube shortcuts allowed. If I press F, set to full screen, and for mute, and I can press any other key like K, J, L, and as much shortcuts I want. So I can also embed web pages like Wikipedia. Let me open it. Copy this link. Okay, now close it, close it. Change the code over here. I would just write my own FM tag and SRC should also, and let me make it in small letters. Okay, now let me open the web page. So as you can watch it, so I can open anything. So as you can watch, it's in my page, but it's running Wikipedia on the back end. So if I write anything at info search, so all about it. So as you can, text should be large, width should be wide. Okay, automatic, and dark. As you can watch, I can change its whole content. So now let me. So after that, what I can explain you is go back. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you list. So what are lists? So first of all, let me set to I need all this. Okay. So after that, let me go down. Over here, I can ask, so as you can watch. So first of all, let me explain you unordered list. So I can press write this. So U means unordered and L means list. Inside it, I can write LI. So let me just add the elements which it has given me. So let me go back. Okay, so as you can watch it, so it has written. So instead of HTML crash course, I would write coding languages. So now if I go live, okay. So coding languages, so you can see there are circle block plots. So if I close that, so wait for a second. Okay, so I don't need it. Let me just press done. What's happening? I don't know, but okay, done. You can see just it. Looks good. Okay, so now let me close it. So after that, I can explain you image tag. So how does it work? So let me just write img and source should equals to logo.jpg and I can close it. So that's why I've added this logo over here. And let me go live again. So it's opening over here. So as you can watch, here's the logo. So after that, close it. There's video tag and source should equals to IDE dot mp4, and let me go live. So as you can watch, it's showing me video. So it's just showing me video. I can't do anything on it. So to do anything on it, I should use a network controls. Now the controls would be visible in it. See, so I don't need Chrome. I need Visual Studio. Okay. So now, as you can watch over here, so now if I open my web page, let me run it again. Okay, so now you can see all the controls. I can play this video, make it full screen, do any other thing if I want. So let me play it. So you can also listen the audio or anything I want. Okay, so now you can watch all controls is visible. I can even download playback speed, picture in picture, or any other control I want. So okay, so let me close it. Now next tag is audio tag. Audio, audio, and so source is IDE dot mp4, and I'm going to change it type to mp3, and now it's just changed to audio, and now let me keep it mp3. Okay, so if I go live now, so let it load. Okay, so now it's an audio, and I can also download, but there's no picture in picture option because there is no picture inside it. After that, let me show you order list. So how does they work? So if I create an order list, so let me create it, order list, and let me first format it. Okay. After that, let me write. Now if I go run it, so you can watch now it's number. I can also change its style, like make it change numbers. So I can keep it numbers, letters, capital, small letters, and if I run it again now, so now watch. So I can keep it typed to anything, but for now on, I've changed it to, I think it would be Roman numbers. Let it open first. What's not opening? Okay, so here you can watch it's now changed into Roman numbers, as you can watch it over here. So nextly, I can even make it letters, but I don't need it like now. So after that, let me explain you HTML APIs. Okay, so now let me first explain you tables. So how does they work? Let me create a table. Closing it. Inside it, let me create a table row. Okay, table row. Inside it, there should be table head. So inside it, I can write the first value, and okay, so Let me add name, and after that another th, and it should be math. Oops, I don't need to create a math tag. Back and remove all this. Okay, and the last one, what it sounds, and let me add some more. Look at this. I think this was it. Another table row now, and instead of HTML, let me write a name, which could be anything too. And the data should be, could be anything. So first one should be 96. After that, 80, and let me add another table row. Okay. Now, if I run it, you can watch its in table name to John. Math in math it's 96, in science and study, in English it's 97, it's 95, and as you can watch it's a table as well. So now let me explain you how HTML APIs work. So how does they work? So they work like this. So the forms work like this that I want to. So first of all, there's an element which is input element. So let me make it input, input, and type could be anything. So there are too much types. It could be text, it could be time, it could be telephone number, it could be anything like date, time, local. It could be a file. So let me take an input and a file, and now if I run it, show you that part. So it would ask me to choose file. I can select any file. So let me. So as you can watch, I can select any file, but I don't need it to, because I don't want it. Let me just select it. So as you can watch, it's selected. I can also select more, but I don't need. So after that, there's another thing which is select tag. Okay, then as much as I want to add, I can add. Let me add some more. Okay, so okay, so after that, I can add an closing selector, and if I go live, so yeah, as you can watch it, you can see here are some languages which you can select. So after that, there are also other things. So the next thing I want to explain you is HTML APIs. So as you can watch, I've pasted a code over here. So here I have created a button, and inside it I have said if the user clicks it, so you should call the JavaScript function get location, which is created over here. So these are some APIs in HTML. So first of all, hit load, starting. Okay, so this is wants to use your camera network. So as you can watch that this API can access your camera and microphone. There's another thing geopositioning. So by pressing oh, oh, you can watch that how it's looking. Okay, so now let me I don't so it's just autoplaying this web cryptid, yeah. So no, the last thing which I want to explain you is the so these were the things which I want to explain in this topic. So bye. Keep learning and keep practicing. Always practice these and you would be mastering these topics. Bye.